This is Cafe English from Venture English. Thanks for coming in. We'll be talking about topics that come up every day. Get your listening practice, new vocabulary, and even some useful idioms for your next conversation with friends or colleagues.
Hey everybody, Paul Preston here. Welcome to Cafe English. And this week, I'm thinking about spring cleaning. Have you ever heard of spring cleaning? Maybe you do some spring cleaning. Well, different cultures, I think, like to clean up at different times out of the year. Here in Japan, New Year's cleaning is very popular. But back home in the US, where I'm from, spring cleaning is what we do. And, I think cleaning is getting more and more popular as time goes on. What do I mean by that? Well, of course, cleaning has always been popular. More popular with some people than with others. But as we develop our cultures and we get more things and we have more things around us and in our houses and in our garages, and we're renting storage for more stuff, I think that the idea of cleaning things out, organizing things, getting rid of things we don't want is getting more and more popular. I think one of the great examples of that is in recent years, about 5 or 6 years, there is a Japanese woman named Mary Kondo, or really Kondo Marie, who is responsible for the sort of the spiritual essence of tidying up. And she has sort of presented her ideas about how to clean up, become more organized. And she's written some books. She's got some TV shows about it. She goes into people's houses, helps them organize. You've probably heard of her. She's become international. She started publishing, of course, in Japanese, and then went to English and continued on to a number of different languages. And she's become very popular and very famous because she cleans things up. So I guess that's saying something about how important cleaning has become, and tidying and organizing has become in modern society. And I think one of the things that is really interesting to me is how much people respect the ability to organize, and how much they sort of feel an inability to organize, thus allowing people who can help to organize become kind of celebrities or stars. And that's, I think, a comment about where we're at in society. I read recently that we're spending huge amounts of money on storage units outside of our house, which is very funny, because we've got so much stuff that we can't fit it in our houses, so we put it in a storage unit. But this is not something that is just individuals or families or groups. Even art museums have huge back storage areas with works of art that no one's seen in years because they're packed away. So organizations are also keeping too much, maybe, or not organizing well, and maybe they could stand to do some tidying up as well. So spring cleaning, and that's what we're gonna do. I think we're focused on trying to get things clean, trying to get things organized, get rid of some of those things we don't need that keep following us around. We're gonna try to do some organization, but it is hard, isn't it? Because you find something that you haven't looked at for a while. You look at it and you say, well, that's a good thing. I don't want to throw that away. I don't want to give that away. I like that. And next one, it's the same thing. Next one, it's the same thing. Pretty soon, you got all your stuff. Maybe you go shopping and you get more stuff. So Well, I don't know. I don't know how successful we're going to be in our spring cleaning. I hope that you're successful, maybe more successful than me with your spring cleaning. And I hope you can organize your life, simplify your life a little bit. But that's what spring is all about in the U.S., at least, spring cleaning. So I thought I should talk a little bit about the process, the pain, the experience of spring cleaning. So thanks for joining me on Cafe English this week. And as I say every week, the reason I'm doing this is to try to give you some resources to help improve your English skill, get some new vocabulary, practice your listening skills, get a little bit more confidence talking about various topics. Nothing important, nothing earth-shattering or changes, just everyday life kinds of topics. I hope that you're getting some benefit and some value from these Cafe English episodes and from some of the other shows that we have available on the YouTube channel. Check out our website too. Come and join, become a member. It's free. It's free to become a member. You can take advantage of some of the resources we have there. I'm always trying to build those resources. Or you can take a course with us. We have a couple of online courses available. We also have one-on-one sessions that you can sign up and actually work with me or my training partner Gareth. Either one of us would be more than happy to spend some time just talking and practicing your English skills, focusing, maybe helping you out a little bit with your English as well. So I hope that your English is getting better. I hope that you're getting more confidence, and I hope that these programs are helping. And don't forget our podcast. It's a great thing to listen to on the go. I put out 2 podcasts, Where Did That Come From? And 3-Minute English. Every other week they become available, so check those out on Apple Podcasts or Stitcher or Amazon Music or Spotify. All of those places it's available. So thank you very much for joining me again this week on not on 3-Minute English, on English Cafe. That's the podcast name. And hope to see you next week. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Hey, I just wanted to let you know real quick, maybe you have some concerns about how you're writing emails. We have a course for that at VenturEnglish.com. It's an email writing course. It goes through a lot of details about how to write emails and gives you a lot of advice about how to structure, how to use the right phrases and the right words, and also how to read emails that come to you. So check out that email course at VenturEnglish.com. If that's something that you think you can use, I think you'll enjoy it.
Hey, thanks for joining me this week at Cafe English. If you'd like some more English practice, why not check out some of the other programs on the Venture English channel? We feature coaching advice and study tips to improve your English. Don't forget to subscribe and come back often. You can also go to our webpage at VenturEnglish.com. Become a member for free and maybe even try some of our courses. At Venture English, our goal is to help you speak English better.